The US military said on Monday it was still searching for an F-35 fighter jet after a mishap on Sunday near an airbase in South Carolina and has asked for public's help locating it. The pilot of the F-35B Lightning II jet ejected safely from the aircraft, according to a statement from the Joint Base Charleston. If you have any information that may help our recovery team locate the F-35, please call the Base Defense Operations Center at 843-963-3600, the base said on X, formerly known as Twitter. The fighter jet's main advantages, according to its manufacturer Lockheed Martin, are that it is nearly impossible to track with radar and is packed with advanced sensors and other gear. Based on the jet's last known position, the base said search efforts were focused north of the base around Moultrie and Lake Marion. That could suggest the plane may have crashed in water, which would make it difficult to locate. The FAA referred queries on the issue to the US military.